Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to wear your TIMEX NeuroFit Waveband 2 properly. This TIMEX Waveband in collaboration with Pearson is a bit different than any other band, so you need to wear it on your dominant hand, which is different than on other watches, because typically on other watches you'd wear them on your non-dominant hand. Now in this case you do it on your dominant hand, but it's also important on any smart bands to wear them properly. You can see here's my wrist bone right here. I don't know if it's well visible, but there it is. There's my wrist bone. So the watch has to sit at least half an inch, which is about a centimeter, or a bit more, so somewhere around here when the bone bump finishes. So somewhere around here, that's where it should sit. Then you should tighten your strap so that it's still comfortable, but it doesn't swivel around. It should just stay in place. And you tighten the band, should stay in place, but it shouldn't cut off your blood circulation. And that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.